In today's video, I'll show you how to show desktop on Windows 11 laptop or PC. So let's say I have many apps opened in my foreground. Let's say I want to save my desktop. I can just go ahead and click on this button over here at the bottom right of my taskbar, and it will show me my desktop. I can click it again to get the apps top again. And how to do it. This button might not be here for you. So to set it up, what you have to do is just go ahead and right click on taskbar. Then just go to taskbar settings. Scroll down a bit and expand taskbar behavior. Scroll down all the way and select this. Make sure this is checked. Select the far corner of the taskbar to show desktop. Make sure this is checked. And after that, you can simply just keep anything open. And if you select the far right corner of your taskbar, you can make your desktop be shown. And basically that is it. And that is how to show desktop on Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.